Okay. Hi. Good evening, everybody. Happy Monday. I said I was going to make butter chicken. So for the purpose of the video, I already did the rice because the microwave's loud and you don't want to hear that. So there you go. Quarter a cup of rice with just over 2 cups of water. About 12 minutes because we use a slightly different rice, but it just depends upon your rice. And that's that. So the rice is going. The chicken had already started. So now I'm going to go ahead and add in a can of coconut milk. I'm using light, but you could use whatever you like. I'm going to put in the buttered chicken seasoning. There you go. Look at the color of that. All right, pour that in. Now, it says a can of coconut milk. It says a quarter can of crushed tomatoes, but as I've said, I'm not particularly fond of tomatoes. So, but it still kind of needs a little bit of the thick flavor. So I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of just tomato sauce because I actually don't have a fresh tomato in the house, but that's what happens. You just adapt. So there we go. Probably a little bit more, but that's all right. You of course can just add as little or as much as you want. Of course, the recipe also says, fry up some diced onions. We all know what I think about onions, so that's not happening. And then I went ahead and did the sweet potato as I did yesterday, and then just kind of quickly blended it up. Probably take about half of it. Probably really only needed one sweet potato. And I'm just going to mix that in. And that will make it thicker and creamier, have some nutrition in there, and also makes it more kind of like stewy. So you don't have to have it with rice or naan bread or anything if you don't want to. That's another option. But as I said, we got the rice and there's naan bread. And this particularly will freeze nicely as well. So I can also freeze it. If I want to do that. And then lastly, I was going to put broccoli in. Seems to have gotten foggy. I think all the steam is fogging me up. But anyway, was going to put broccoli in, but what's my reasoning for it? Oh, we don't have any. And I thought we had some. So I'm just going to put in some frozen peas. And then that's it. Basically another 5 minutes for this to thicken up, set up, have the chicken finish cooking. And then we got yummy butter chicken with some sweet potato and peas to go over some rice, and then there'll be enough food for tomorrow as well. So there we go. Butter chicken. There we are. Okay, that's it. Hope you guys are having an awesome night. I'm Marianne, and I'm going to have a delicious meal like us. Feel free to reach out if you don't have anything delicious in your home. We can totally help with that. And reminder that coupon, if you have an email with Epicure already, aka you're getting head office's emails, you should have gotten an email again today and definitely last week, Friday or Saturday, saying $20 off $100, and that only goes until tonight. So midnight tonight Pacific time. So for us here in Ontario, it's a 3 a.m. To put your order in and get that off. If you are brand new to Epicure and watching, maybe you're you're quietly stalking from the sidelines, do remember to reach out because we also can give you 15% off for your first order as well. And lots of good specials, lots of fun things happening. And there's something else I wanted to say. I don't know. I'm just thinking about food, to be honest. So I'm going to let this set and then I'm going to eat. So feel free to reach out if you have any questions about meal prepping, planning, Epicure, being gluten-free, trying to eliminate some things from your, maybe it's dairy-free or anything like that. And I can help because that's kind of how I got started, was eliminating particular foods like dairy and red meats and sodium for sure. We all know Epicure is big on low sodium, low sugar, but still having delicious, yummy meal options for you. Anyway, as I said again, happy Monday, and talk soon.